How's it going, folks? Let's do a quick unboxing here. This is the Tenable Fenrir, and I have a different version, but this is the red G-mascus version, which sold out for a while, but now they've been replenished. And this is the version I wanted. So it's a sparrow knife design. It's a Nitro-V blade. And this is the red, well, they say black G-mascus, but I think it's called red G-mascus. This is my Kansept Orlock. But let's open this up, check it out. There you have a Tenable microfiber cloth. Always good to have. I probably have most of mine in the boxes that from the knives, but I do use one once in a while. Been using an old CJRB one for a long time. Let's get this stuff out of the way. There it is. This is the top liner lock version. The Kansept has, I believe, frame lock and liner lock, maybe. I'm not sure how many different versions there are. There's button locks. There's a bunch of different ones. This is the Tenable version, and since these have the top liner lock, there's no front flipper, though actually that just worked just fine. There's just enough leverage there to use the front as a front flipper. But I like this shape. Kind of pointy. I usually like a modified sheep's foot in general, but some of these have attracted me. The Kaiser Rays was very appealing to me, so I got one of those. But let's take a quick reverse flick. Is fine. Right out of the box, these are pretty good. The detent with most, you got to get your finger over here or it'll bounce back. So as long as you keep your finger off there, but like if you close it and keep your finger on it, bounces back open. So got to be quick to take your finger off of there. Anyway, plus you got to have better skill than I do. Let's take a quick look at the, get that out of the way. The length of it overall is about 7/7/8 or so. The blade looks like it's about almost 3.5, not quite, 3 3/8. The cutting edge is shorter because the nice choil on there. Yeah, about 3 inches of cutting edge. Pretty nice knife. Let's this G-mascus version, I don't know. I haven't had aluminum or any of the other versions, but let's check the weight here. 4.1 ounces, 4.2 ounces. Seems pretty good. I like it. I don't like a knife that's too light. This, you know, it's in your pocket. This is probably steel. Yeah. The clip is steel. So I don't think this version is for sale on Amazon, so I don't have any links, but I'd go straight to Tenable and buy this and use the code DARKWATER. Use our friend Darkwater's link to get, I believe it's 10% off. I don't think shipping is free. I'm not sure. You might have to buy a certain amount of product to get free shipping. I do not recall exactly. But go get one of these. I really like them. There are many versions. Aluminum handle, different G-mascus. They have micarta. Pretty cool knife. Hope everyone has a good day. Thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate it. I will have some Amazon links in the video. I usually throw them in there. Various things, sharpeners or tools, things like that. Any purchase you make, I get a small kickback. Very small, but it all helps. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.